Hi guys, Ilze Whiteman, the cleaning coach. I just want to welcome you to my channel. If you're already a member and already subscribed, thank you very much from my heart for supporting me and helping me grow this channel. And if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and press that bell so you can get notifications when I release new videos. Guys, this channel is about the three most important things that you need to conquer as you run your cleaning business. If you want to be successful, you need to know what customers to target. You need to earn enough, you need to make enough profit, and you need quality employees. So the three most important things. And if you struggle with any of those, you're definitely in the right place here. I guarantee if you follow my system that you will make 100K in under a year, and I can prove it as well. But this channel will cover all aspects of those three things because I want you to believe in yourself and that this is possible. There is no such thing as no quality employees out there. I can promise you there's a different way of thinking, but also running a cleaning business is about motivation, inspiration, and also the belief in yourself that the ability that you can do it. And the way I teach this is you need to think what brand you want to be when you build your cleaning business. This is not just about cleaning. Having a successful cleaning business is so much more than just offering a cleaning service. You need to think about what brand you want to be. Do you want to be a Henry or Shark or a Dyson brand or the SIBO brand as they call it, right? So there's cheap Henry brands, the people that's coming in from the bottom. And fair enough, if you're just starting a cleaning business, you might fall under this bracket and there's nothing wrong with it. But it means you're going to get customers that's cheap, customers that buy on price only. They won't value you. You might keep them for 6 months, 7 months, and then they just drop you for somebody else, right? There's no value in that relationship. And therefore, you're really going to struggle to make the right profit to get quality employees. And you're going to keep attracting cheap customers to your business. And you're going to keep struggling with these horrible customers that the other cleaning companies don't want, by the way. So you're getting all the leftovers. Okay. So then we get the Shark and the middle brand. Then we get this brand. You're starting to figure out that customers telling you expensive. It's their problem, not yours, by the way. Don't let the customer affect your worth because they're cheap. Okay, their perceived value of cleaning is cheap, therefore they're trying to bring you down. And I'll talk a lot more about that as well. I'm very passionate about that. But also, if you're the Shark brand, you're starting to attract better quality customers. You can get a little bit of a taste of what it will be like to actually get to that stage where you're employing, and you're probably employing at the stage, but you're still attracting some of the cheap customers that will call you and say, how much do you charge? And you'll give them a price and they go, how much do you charge? Wow, that's expensive. And if I had a penny for every time somebody told me that, to this day, I'll be rich. You're in the middle bracket. So you're trying to get employees, but you are trying to get employees the wrong way because you're hiring desperate. You're not offering enough pay. You're not attracting the right staff or the right customers. So you're still a little bit stuck mode. Like, oh, what is the next stage? How do I get to the next stage? What do I need to do? Then you get the Dyson and the SIBO brand of cleaning business. And this is where I positioned my cleaning business because I saw there was a cleaning business out there, and it's still to this day, it still exist, and they were charging triple what I was charging. And I was like, how come at this time I was charging like £15 an hour, and I thought, like a lot of people told me I was expensive, and I was like, how can they go out there and charge this amazing price? And by the way, so many customers were calling me and telling me, can you come and clean, because they're shit, they're not that great. Okay, and I was like, hang on a minute, how can they get away with charging so much and getting these customers in the first place, and I'm struggling here? Like, oh, change your customers, change how you charge, change how you talk to customers, change how you sell. It's all about value first, right? So I was in this scenario, and my business changed when I had this phone call where I was stuck in this position where I had too many staff and too many customers, and I was just sitting there one day. I was fed up. I think I was like numb. I was starting to go completely fallen out of my business, didn't want to do it anymore. If one more employee called me and told me they had funny ache, I would literally explode. And I was just like, I didn't want to look at my emails. I was procrastinating on opening emails for in case there was another complaint. I was procrastinating on everything because I was stuck myself. And I was like, how can it be so hard? And then a customer called, Alan, and then he was like, you dropped us off a letter. This is something I teach, introduction letter. You dropped us off a letter and we would like for you to come and quote for us. And I was like, oh, well, I knew I couldn't do it in any case. I couldn't do any more hours myself. I didn't have the staff because two staff let me down again, and I was just stuck. And I was like, look, we're very expensive, like a lot more expensive than any other cleaning companies out there. I'm just going to warn you now. We focus more on quality than quantity. And so therefore, but I don't think I've got any space available. And he was like, look, come and see me. I would really like you to do it. I don't care if you're more expensive. It's been highly recommended, and I really would like you to do it. We've been struggling for years with so many different other cleaning companies that let us down, and I really just want to put it into that. and you're the person that I was told can make that happen. So here I went, I charged like a massive out of range price, and he was like, yeah, no problem. When can you start? Can you do it twice a week, by the way, as well? And also within a few months, I had like 7 more offices of these, bringing in a contract of about 3 grand, like that. Overnight that happened, and I was like, whoa. So all of this happening at the same kind of like time, I was like, I'm wrong. Here's me thinking people telling me expensive is okay, and that's how it should be. Here's me thinking struggling with staff that I'm trying to employ as cheap as possible because I can't afford it. I was struggling with this. No wonder. I was employing a low quality staff member, expecting them to deliver my high standards. How deluded was I? Not really. It's a learning curve. I learned my lesson that day. So that taught me that I need to target different customers. With the introduction letter that or the sales letter as I call it, that I give my students, this is exactly what you do. It's more about the know, like, and trust sequence, really honing into that, and then making sure that your customers know, like, and trust you before you actually give them the quote. This is me becoming the Dyson Sibo brand. I became a brand where people called me and is like, I want the Ilze clean. I want you to come and do it. I don't care how much you charge. I know that they could see the value in my cleaning business before anything else. But this took a few years to build up, obviously. This doesn't happen overnight. But I was known then for, oh, if you want no complaints and you want an amazing job, you have to go there, right? Dig deep, you're going to have to go there, right? So therefore, I delivered not just the cleaning service, I also made sure that the whole journey, my customer journey of my customer, from the first minute they came into my business, they felt absolutely amazing, because a customer doesn't care what you say, and they won't remember you for what you say or do, but they will remember how you make them feel. So if you do this right from the start of your business, this is how you build a brand that stands out. That's the go-to brand in your area. That's the brand people want. You know, those people that, oh, I want to have a better cleaner than anybody else. You become that cleaner. You become a need. You become recession-proof, because you no longer are just a luxury. You're like a need. Oh, we have to have this cleaning company doing it for us, right? And of course, that does come with delivering an outstanding service, but you can't deliver all of this all at once. And you build up your brand, you build up your business. And if you're struggling and you're stuck at the moment, trust me, there's ways out. I promise you, there's ways, easy ways out, by the way. Go through my videos, learn as much as you can, implement. And I want you to now know that your heart, every single morning that you get up, your heart is getting up, beating for you. It's keeping your dreams alive, and you need to make sure that you get up, stand up, and make sure that you work towards your goals and your dreams every single day, no matter what comes in and interferes. Whether you follow your dreams or not, things are going to interfere. So they're either going to come and they're going to put you down, or you can use that as fuel and say, no, 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 I will do this regardless. I will do this regardless, because I can, because I have this amazing opportunity that I can now take and run my business and build my life how I want it. Design it. Design your business how you want it and how you want to live for the rest of your life. You choose right now. Yes, Ilze, I'm going to do this for myself, and I want you to. I really want you to go out there and just smash it. Learn as much as you can. Implement. If you don't implement, learning just makes your library. Library is only good for people that want to learn. You want to implement. You want to implement little bits every day in your business that makes your business better, stronger, with really good foundations, so that you're ready when that customers come. Stop turning customers away by giving them a price. Please remember, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, all over the place. Come and find me. I will help you get to the next stage if you're stuck. Don't sit there and think you're on your own, because you're definitely not. If you need support, motivation, inspiration, and the know-how, because I make it very easy for you to know how, and very easy to implement, come and chat me up, comment down below. Let's make your dreams come true, because they're going nowhere. You have to make them come true. Otherwise, they're going to haunt you for the rest of your life. I really look forward to meeting you. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this has inspired you to go out there, go and build a business that can help you towards your financial freedom. See you later.